Today we're going to unbox and show you all the details of this camera battery fast charger. So here is the unit itself. Let's pull it out. It's packaged really nicely in this foam. Just get it out of there. There we go. And it's wrapped in this plastic. So let's unwrap it. Looks like it peels off the bottom. Down there. Here we go. Here's the unit. Okay, let's see what else is included in the box. All right, so you have a side box there. Okay, this one has, looks like a little handy carry bag. That's cute, kind of carbon fibery looking material. And then on this side, what do we have? We have the instructions and then the cable. All right, let's open up the cable and see what kind it is. Perfect. It's a USB-C to USB-C, so that's really handy. It doesn't come with a power block, but most people at this point, I feel like, have USB-C power blocks, so I like that it has that. So on the side of the device, it actually has a two USB-Cs in and out, so you could theoretically put power in and pull power out on the same unit, so that's really nice. This is where you can open up the top. So there's this little push icon, so you push it up and then you can put your batteries right in here. So there's channel 1 and channel 2. And then in order to turn it on, this is your on and off button. So it would let you know what the battery levels are at. The screen would change. There aren't any batteries in this at the moment, but I will try to find some later and test this out. But overall, this is a really cool unit. If you're looking to charge your camera batteries, you could charge both at once. It is a fast charger, and it fits really nicely in this bag with this cable. So let me show you what that looks like. You just slide it right in, and then the cable just goes right on top, and it fits perfectly like that. So it's a really nice compact design if you're looking for something like this.